Why in the world 80% of my trades are in profit and yours is not? In this video, I'm going to show you a practical example of my today's trade, and you will see the difference between my trading strategy and your trading strategy. Let's start with the fact that crypto market is a very volatile market. We should never forget about this when placing our orders. No matter how sure you are about price movement, you should never go all in with your margin trades. I don't take, as in life, when you start craving on something, it's never gonna happen. You should be patient. Chasing for fast money, I think it's never gonna happen. And if you want to trade in order to get steady income, it's gonna happen. My today's trade example will demonstrate, I think, right now as I'm recording this, Bitcoin's price is skyrocketing, and all the signs of the ADA Cardano, which is third largest currency right in the world, lagging behind, no signs of the price movement. I believe that ADA has lots of potential too, and it's gonna increase way higher than it is right now, 2 cents too. And I'm waiting for the other price confirmation for the breakout, which I saw today. It broke a symmetrical triangle with a quite reasonable volume. And considering all fundamentals of ADA, also general crypto market, it was logical that product could make way higher. So I entered my trade position here at 2 cents too, and look what happened straight after. And this happens quite often in crypto market. Look at this. This happens in order for larger institutions probably to liquidate us smaller traders or whatever. There is huge speculation. I don't know. Look at this. Price dropped almost to, there was price drop in percentage. Let me check. 10%. With 10x leverage, you would be definitely in a big trouble. And the thing is that I always enter the trade with partially with not all of my equity, but a very small portion of my equity. That's how I know that my liquidation price is very lower than very lower. So I have big room. Even if it goes very down, I can still wait. And yeah, if I had I usually this leads us to another important factor in crypto market. Just like I said, I strongly believe that other uptrends gonna happen sooner or later. It's gonna happen. Placing order here. Most of wise technical analysts and would place their stop loss here. That's not bad. It's actually recommended if you are new to always place your stop losses and take profits. You never know when your where market goes. Even if you are 90% sure, stop losses are important. Stop losses are important, especially if you trade with high margin, right? But for me, I did not place here stop loss because even if the price goes down, I'm convinced that it will go straight back up. It does not have it won't have enough power to go below 2. Imagine me placing a stop loss here, then I would be liquidated with minus from my position right now. Right now, I'm not liquidated. I'm even in slight loss here, but I believe at the end, the price will manage to go up from up at least to cover my initial entry point. So I will close for sure with profit. So the rule number 1 is that for me to win the position, I'm not craving the money. I'm just seeing the major trends. I'm not a day trader, okay? I am a swing trader. I just see the major trend and I wait patiently. And I'm not craving, I'm not going all in. I'm just going with very small portion of my equity. With that, I can sleep well and I'm not worrying that if the market crashes, I can be liquidated. Number 3 is that not recommended for newcomers for sure. It's not very wise, I have to admit, but for me somehow it works. I don't place stop loss orders very close to my trade because it happens usually in the crypto volatile market. Sometimes price can shoot down in order to liquidate your position, and actually it then continues going to the direction that you predicted, but because of your stop loss you would be liquidated. That would happen in a lot of my positions if I went all in, or if I placed stop losses very closely. That's lesson number 2. So this is 2 important lessons. I think that's what makes my position to close in more than 80. I cannot count, but most of my positions are in profit. That what helps me to close my positions in profit. Some of my positions, like not like 10 or 15%, I close in loss. If you're a trader, everybody knows that you won't be 100% true. Sometimes you will be wrong, and it's absolutely okay. Main thing is that at the end you are in a winning position. If I, for example, let's stick with this case. If I see some radical move here, that if I see something important in the market, fundamentals or technicals, that would change my price prediction, and if I guess that my price prediction could be affected from this and that fact that happened after my entry, I'm okay to close my position on time. So right now I entered here right on the when it broke up breakout on the breakout to 220, and then price is now on 290. I'm in a slight loss. So instead of closing here, if I would find out that market is changing direction, I would close here. So even if I would close in a loss, it would not be huge loss. I would wait for after downtrend to some uptrend, then I would close in the middle. So I'm not afraid because of the price volatility. That's what I advise to all of you, that don't enter full, don't use too much margin, because it's most likely you would be liquidated. And I usually don't use stop losses very close, but that I don't recommend to you. It works for me, but there is high risk in this. What differentiates trading to gambling? It's very important. Trading is not gambling, because in gambling, you don't have any tools to affect the market. For example, when you are gambling for the football game, you're just guessing, and you don't have any power to stop your price prediction if something's getting wrong than you predicted. In the crypto market and in the trading, you have very powerful tool: stop loss and take profit. If you predict something and it does not go as you predicted, you always can stop this price action. You don't have to be sitting in front of the computer to do so. You can always place in advance the stop loss order that will help you to sleep good at night, because peace of mind is most important, and it's really hard to maintain a peace of mind for traders, and we won't be trading if we can't be calm. Okay, it's very important. Trading is different from gambling because of stop loss. Use it. That was it for today's video, and if you are interested in crypto trading, you can join my group, my lessons or group for trading alerts. All the information is down below. If you like this video and if you want to learn more about this kind of things, make sure you subscribe, press the notification bell so you won't miss any video from me, and leave a comment what you think about today's video. I hope I helped you. Bye for now.